Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My topic for this project is adaptive radiation. This is a very crucial evolutionary process that impacts our ecosystem, so it's very, very important to know about it. In evolutionary biology, adaptive radiation is a process in which organisms diversify rapidly into multiple or new forms. As you see here, all these fishes came from a common ancestor, but as time went on and time prolonged, they eventually diverged to have different characteristics. These traits and characteristics were different from what the original ancestors had. Basically, it's like looking at natural selection in the long term, which basically makes sense due to the fact that organisms are changing and responding according to their environment and their surroundings. It is a relatively fast evolution of many species from a common ancestor. An example is a variety of creepers found on the Hawaiian Islands. Creepers are a species of bird. It is believed that an ancestor of the modern creepers arrived on the islands and eventually new species emerged, each with a different color, different body shape, and different beak shape as well. This is caused mainly to the fact that there's a change in the environment. Every time there's a change in the environment, it creates new resources. When new resources are created, it creates new challenges for the species. These environmental changes may include flooding of vast areas around the continent, drought, and other natural disasters. A different example has to do with the African Great Lakes. When these lakes form, a single species of fish that is stranded in the lake may evolve into a large different species. This usually occurs in a short period of time. When Charles Darwin was on the island, one of the first things he noticed is that a variety of finches existed. And each of these finches on the island had different beak shapes as well as beak sizes. And each were used for different seasons as well as weather. This process makes it possible for a clade to diversify even more. Mutations play a role in adaptive radiation. Since mutations aim to create new traits, there are always new ways to diversify as well as new populations are created as time goes on. Let's not forget that this process happens in a short amount of time. To wrap everything up, you have learned about adaptive radiation, you have learned about the causes of it, as well as some examples. Thanks for listening, and good luck on your test as well as your finals.